Hey guys, Lamonster Garage, and we have a product that a lot of people have asked about. Is there a way to lock my GPS on my bike? And up until recently, there hasn't been a good uh, fix for that. There's one company that has a lock, but it's so big and it's like almost $200, I think, just for the lock. But there's another company that approached us, and it's a motor pump and super simple design. And basically, what it does is it locks this from being pushed down. Has its own special little key here, and basically that allows this to go in here. You can spin this out, pull this out, and then now this little latch here will go up and down. So I'll show you the install. Super easy install. I already have some bolts loose, so kind of cheating. So basically, if you already have your GPS, you're going to want to put this between the mount and the GPS mount. Whoop. Fumble fingers. Anyway, between that mount. So let's put this on like so. And they have several holes in there, so it'll fit different mounts. So we'll go ahead and put this on and show you how it works. Super simple. I wish I would have thought of it. And this will work on the XT and the XT2. I'm pretty sure it'll work on the 590s and the 660s too, because they use a similar type mount, but I'm not sure. For sure it works on the Zumos, on the XT. And that's what we'll be putting it on. All right. So that's it for install. Just going to want to back this out here. And they give you two keys just in case you lose one. And there are replacement keys too if you lose both of them. So basically, Zumo just clips in like normal. And then if you look back here, this rod goes in here. So this is basically if you don't want to be pulling your GPS and locking it in the trunk every time you stop. So now if you go to undo it, you can't, because you can't push down the latch to release it. But a super simple product, works great, and we recommend it if you have a Zumo. It's something you might consider adding to the cart. And if you have an existing Zumo, you see how easy it is to install. If you're ordering a Zumo from us, we sell tons of Zumos. We're the leading dealer in our district for the Zumo. So look us up on lamonstergarage.com and look for the GPS lock, and I think you'll be happy with it. Thanks.